75% keyboards are becoming more popular for their compact design, customization, and durability. Whether it's for an extensive gaming session or heavy typing work, the tactile feedback you get from these keyboards will keep you hooked to it all day. So in this video, we've composed a brief consumer guide on the 5 best 75% keyboards currently available. For your convenience, we have included the buying links in the description below. So let's get started without further delay. Let's check out the ASUS ROG Azoth 75, a mechanical keyboard with unparalleled performance. Its gasket mount design ensures a cushioned typing feel, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. With 3 angle adjustments, you can easily find your optimal ergonomic position for enhanced comfort and performance. Equipped with a 2-inch OLED panel, it provides easy access to settings, media visualizations, and system monitoring. Furthermore, the pre-lubed switches minimize noises and deliver smoother clicks for faster actuation. And the ROG-tuned force curves ensure consistency and precision with every keystroke. Impressively, the keyboard can run up to 2,000 hours on a single charge, providing gaming sessions without the hassle of frequent recharging. So get your hands on this premium keyboard and enjoy gaming on the next level. The K65 Plus wireless is Corsair's first ever 75% mechanical keyboard, offering a compact design with a blend of performance and versatility. Here, the pre-lubricated Corsair MLX Red linear mechanical switches ensure a smooth and responsive key press experience every time, which is ideal for both gaming and typing tasks. Additionally, the hot swappable switches offer customization options to suit individual preferences. This keyboard has 3 connectivity options: USB, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. Hence, you can choose any conveniently. Moreover, the addition of a multifunction rotary dial, FN key combinations, and shortcut commands enhances usability. And by the way, you can also effortlessly control media playback and applications with peace of mind. Introducing the glorious GMMK Pro keyboard, where customization meets excellence. Crafted with premium CNC machined aluminum, it's built tough and feels comfortable in your hands. This keyboard offers next-level personalization with various custom accessories. You can easily switch out the top frame, cable, keycaps, and knob with vibrant alternatives from glorious gaming to suit your style. Unlike many other keyboards, it boasts rapid 1000 Hz polling rates, ensuring your keystrokes are registered instantly and accurately. Plus, its programmable rotary knob adds another layer of functionality for precise rotations. In terms of pricing, it's expensive, but the build quality, performance, and customization options are worth the price. Whether you're a gamer or someone who loves cool keyboards, the GMMK Pro offers a glorious experience tailored just for you. Now here is the Melgeek Mojo84, a compact wireless keyboard that embodies premium craftsmanship. Featuring an advanced gasket mount structure and double-color ABS keycaps, it ensures durability and sophistication in design. With 3 connectivity options including Type-C, Bluetooth 5.1, and 2.4 GHz wireless, you have the flexibility to choose the most convenient mode for your setup. Moreover, you can connect up to 8 devices with it. Like other keyboards, the Mojo's hot swappable design allows for easy switch replacement and customization. From vibrant RGB lighting to game shortcut keys and more, you can customize every aspect of your keyboard. And despite its small, the keyboard offers separate arrow keys and all essential F keys, maximizing functionality while saving desk space. In short, you can go for the Melgeek Mojo84 if you need a premium high-quality keyboard. Let's conclude with the Razer BlackWidow V4 75% keyboard. Its compact layout, housed in an aluminum case, is perfect for space-conscious setups without compromising essentials. Typing feels optimized with each balanced keystroke. Thanks to a gasket-mounted FR4 plate, lubricated stabilizers, and dual layers of sound-dampening foam. And of course, it has a swappable design as well. On top of that, per-key lighting and a striking 2-side RGB underglow feature enhance immersion, syncing seamlessly with various gaming setups. Additionally, its special plush leatherette wrist rest ensures long-lasting comfort during the most intense gaming sessions. Last but not least, you will enjoy easy control of entertainment settings with a multifunction roller and media keys. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.